In this video, I will show you how to make another page from the Alphabet Quiet Book series. The guitar is attached with Velcro. In the center part it has a sensory mirror in which you can see yourself and a string with sliding colorful beads. Next to it you will also find the letter G, symbolizing the name guitar, and musical notes. Patterns to make it you will find in the video description. Please leave your opinion in a comment. Thank you very much and let's get started. We will need stiff felt, scissors, varnish markers, clips, Velcro tape, beads, mirror, hot glue, and small buttons. Prepare patterns of the title ABC Quiet Book Guitar Part 1 and cut them out. Place patterns on beige and green felt. Outline shapes with vanishing marker, then cut them out along the drawn lines. Place green element here, 5 mm from the bottom edge of the base page, and fasten it with clips. Then sew along the edge with green thread. In the next step, prepare patterns titled Guitar Part 2, cut out, then place them on right color of felt, outline and cut out to make right elements. In this paper pattern, cut out also the inner shape. Place pattern on orange elements so that they overlap, and trace the inner shape with vanishing marker. Then cut it out. Now prepare this pattern, place it on the left side of the mirror and cut out its shape. It doesn't have to be very precise. Place mirror under the hole and fasten it with clips. Then sew both elements along the edge with orange thread. Now take this element, place it here, fasten it with clips, and sew only from here to this place with orange thread. Measure 60 mm from the bottom edge of the opening and draw a dot, and from the upper edge of the opening measure 80 mm and also draw a dot. We will attach the string to these 2 points. Now please prepare hot glue, 4 beads with a diameter of 10 mm and a string, and glue its one end here. Then put beads on the string. In the next step, tighten the string and glue the other end here. Now please cut off the ends behind the glue points. Now take these 2 elements and place them here to cover the ends of the string. Then sew along the edge with white and green thread. The last element place under brown one in this way and fasten it with clips and save for later. Take the last patterns with a title Guitar Part 3 and create felt elements based on them. Prepare Velcro tape and Velcro pattern and cut out 1 pair of Velcro with loop and hoop side. In this paper pattern, make hole in the place of dot. You can make it with a hole punch or use a simple needle. Place pattern on orange elements so that they overlap and draw dot in the place of hole. Then place Velcro with a loop side here and sew it along the edge. Turn this element over, place guitar on it, and sew along the edge. The upper and lower threads are orange. Finally, cut off excess felt along the edge of the guitar. Place guitar on the base page in this way and draw the place while Velcro touches the base page. Then place Velcro with a hoop side here and sew it on. The last two elements place here and sew them along the edge with brown and blue thread. I forgot about the buttons. If you want, you can place 4 buttons with a diameter of 6 mm and sew them by hand with double orange thread. Now we can finish the base page, place it on beige felt and sew along the edge. The upper and lower threads are white. At the end, cut off excess thread along the edge of the base page. If you would like to combine guitar with my other quiet book pages from the collection, prepare first pattern and make hole in the place of this dot. Then place pattern on the base page so that they overlap and draw dot in the place of hole. In the next step, make a hole with a hole punch. Choose the largest size, mine is 5 mm. Then weave a shoelace through each hole of the pages, tie a bow, and it's ready. Thank you very much for watching. I would be very grateful for your likes or comments. I wish you all the best and see you in the next video. Bye bye!